Hi, Atuluku Sunday here once again, and today I'll be talking on the topic of what is data analytics and why every company needs it. Yeah, if you would want to go into data analysis, you need to understand why it is so important and why everybody is saying go for data analysis, go for data analysis. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So what is data analytics and why does every company need it? Before you go into this field, we would want to even really understand what is data. Yes, a lot of us have been hearing data. Even your subscription that you do, you call it data and all that. Yeah. So what is data? Data is raw facts and figures collected from daily activities. For example, the likes you have on your social media pages, the comments you have, the subscriptions you have, all these things are raw data. Similarly, the sales record that you have on your system, the customer details that you have, and also website visit. Yes, the website visit that you have, all these things are all data, and on its own, data has little to no value until it is analyzed. Yes, so that is what you are trying to do. So you can see how important data is, you can see how important data collection also is, and you can see how important analyzing the data also is. Now, what is data analytics? On this, data analytics is the process of examining data to discover insights. That is just all. In the previous video, I was able to tell us the steps that were involved, but here it is just examine your data and discover insights. It helps answer important business questions, and with this you can make informed decision on what has been wrong with your sales, what has been wrong with your business, your operations and all that. So data analytics focuses on understanding what happened and why it happened. Yes, what happened and why it happened. Now, the types of data analytics that we have, the first one we have is descriptive analysis. With this, you can make use of tools such as mean, median, mode, and your standard deviation, the relationship between them, to discover what has happened in your data. Then we have diagnostic data analysis. This tells us why it happened. Yes, it tells us why a particular occurrence took place. Then we have our predictive analysis. This predictive analysis tells us what is likely to happen. Yes, from the data you have, you analyze it, you'll be able to tell why or what may likely happen, because from the data you'll be able to see insights as to patterns that are already reoccurring. And the last one that we have is prescriptive. If something has happened already, you want to know what should we do now that it has happened. Now, the common data analytics tools that we have, these tools are very, very important, and in data analysis you should make sure that yes, you are very, very well grounded in them. Spreadsheets, example of such spreadsheets are Excel, Google Sheets, WPS Sheets, and all of those sheets. Yeah, so you need spreadsheet for you're analyzing your data. You need spreadsheet for even cleaning your data, and yes, visualizing your data. Then we need SQL. SQL stands for structured query language. Yeah, it is a computer language that communicates with your databases, whereby you are able to retrieve information from your database and then clean them and take them to your visualization tools. Now, the visualization tools are also important. Examples and the most common ones that we have are Power BI and Tableau. Yes, Power BI and Tableau, they are the most common visualization tools that we have. So you need to have a grounded knowledge on these tools. And the last but not the least is a programming language called Python. Yes, you need Python for advanced data analysis. Oftentimes people come to say, why do I need to learn Python? Of course you do need to learn Python, if especially you'll be doing a regression analysis. Yes. Now, haven't told you what data analysis is all about. Why does every company need data analytics? One, it helps to support better and faster decision making. From your data, you can be able to easily pick out patterns. You can pick out insights that helps the company to make better decisions, and these are data-driven decisions. Yes. Now also, it reduces guesswork and assumptions. Yes, you don't have to start guessing, is sales dropping, is sales increasing? No. do we have more customers today? Do we have more customers yesterday? No. Or does more customers mean more sales for us, or less customers? These variations are what data analytics help you to cut away. It helps you, it gives you certainty that yes, this is what is happening, and it also improves efficiency and performance. Yes, what you would have taken days, years to be able to identify, once you run your data analysis, you can easily identify those problems and even the progress that you are making. Now, what are the key business benefits? Now, having understood that yes, it is very important for the company, we need to know the key business benefits. How does it apply to our business? First, it helps us to understand customer behavior. If you are dealing with customers, yes, you will see that some customers may come in erratic and all that, but then they buy. You notice some of these things, you write them down and all that, and once you analyze your data, you'll be able to see customer behavior even in their buying pattern. Some persons will come to the DM and ask you how much is this, how much is that. All those things, those are data that you can collect and analyze over time, that once someone comes with that kind of behavior, you will be able to easily identify and categorize that or such a customer. Then it also helps to increase revenue and reduce cost. Yes, this is very, very important in business. Then it helps to identify risk and opportunities early enough. If there are mismanagement going on with your data analytics, you can easily identify them. And also, if there are opportunities that are coming up, you can easily identify them also. Now, let us see data analysis in action, in real terms. For example, in retail, you can use it to track the best-selling products. In finance, yes, fintech and the rest of them, you can use it to detect fraud and manage risk. Yes, you can use data analytics to detect fraud very, 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 very easy and fast. Then in healthcare, you can use it to improve patients' outcome, and also you can even use it to know how profitable the facility is growing or is operating. Then in education, you can use it to monitor students' performance. Now, without data analytics, what happens? Without data analytics, decisions are based on intuition, head knowledge. And your head can only go as far as what you can see. Yes. So since you can see these facts, these insights are hidden in your data. So if you can't see it, you'll not be able to, profile a very, very good solution. Then hidden problems go unnoticed. Yes, once they are hidden, you can't detect them. Then business also, they struggle to compete favorably with other companies or other businesses without data analytics, because once you analyze your data, you will know where you are lagging behind and where you are already making good headway. Now, in conclusion, data analytics turn data into insights. Then these insights lead to smarter decision making. Every modern company nowadays, yes, there is no company right now that doesn't need data analytics to grow and stay competitive. If you followed me to this point and you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section, and you can also like, subscribe and follow this channel for more